wine for his, Dad used to drink wine for his heart. He said that it helped him because they did that in Europe. So anyway, Bob took down the Antarctica flag because it snowed and it was done. And I don't know if you can tell, but not many people do see the flag, just us. We have another snowy day, not because it snowed again. This is the first snow from Saturday morning, and today is Sunday. And it feels like it was Friday, but no, it was Saturday, and today is only Sunday. Why is it time moves so slowly when you've got snow and you can't leave the house to go anywhere except outside? Anyway, the trees look like they're laced with diamonds, and the sun is shining, and it's 22 degrees in Hiram, Georgia, just a little north of Atlanta, or Hotlanta. Birds are singing, squirrels are fighting. I mixed worms and thistle with the bird food because not many of the birds are using the thistle eater or feeder. And as far as my plants go, this is what they look like. They're elevated so that I guess the roots can freeze better. And then I've got this beautiful trellis with the bench that I can't get to usually because there's too much grass growing there, and the Lady Banks has grown over it. Hopefully this year I will have the willpower, the impetus, the deep desire that overcomes all of my inertia, and I will cut down most of the Lady Banks. But it is pretty. This last year it didn't bloom very much. I need to add blooming fertilizer to it. But the sun is coming. Everything is so bright. And my backyard may look junky. I wish that I had more color in the backyard. I wish I had more blue instead of gray. At least I have the back of this bench, which is red. My husband, I think, forgot to paint it. And so now that I'm out here, none of the birds are eating. But there were about 40 birds eating before I sat down. And they're not even in the trees. They're going somewhere else because I'm here. And the trees are so beautiful. I like the straight ones. There's one in the backyard that fell, but it wasn't on our side, and it fell on the trees on the other side, so they will lose more trees if they don't have that cut down soon. Because a tree next to the water doesn't hold up another tree as easily. Bob has put the sheets back on all of the plants that are in planters. Hopefully that will help them with this 22 and 16 degree weather. And the birds are coming out only when I go inside. And it's still pretty, and I really like the cold air because I'm not stuck in it. I like the way everything looks with the snow. I'm really surprised it's lasted so long. And this has been a really great weekend before Bob's birthday.